Hey, this is a look at this Andoer cuboid-shaped DSLR camera shoulder bag. I bought this from Amazon for about £16. It's relatively compact, so let's have a look inside and see what you do get. So there's a shoulder strap in there and a weatherproof coat for it to wear. I guess you would stuff that maybe in one of the pockets. So I've got another camera bag where it's kind of built in and you kind of pull it out from the bottom and then and cover it over the top. But this one is just one that you can take out and put over separately. I guess that's good if you want to dry it off afterwards. Stick it on the radiator. So it's got it's got a little bit there. Stick your hand through it. The strap holders and then little pockets on the sides, on both sides. Then looking at the interior, you've got these movable bits of padding, so you can fit it to your camera and your accessories. You'll be able to get the main camera in there, and then maybe another lens or two, depending on how large your lenses are. Some netting down there too. Don't know if you can see that. A bit more up here for maybe putting some filters in, although they would knock against the top of the camera body. And oh yeah, a zip compartment here. Probably a good idea to stuff that weatherproof coat in there, and that's in there. And if we take camera, let's see, this is just my Nikon, and pop that in. So you can kind of see it's in, and it's just bulging out of the top. So this has got a relatively long lens on it, but not massive, and still got the strap to squeeze in somewhere. I'm going to stuff it down that side for now. And you can see it's slightly struggling to close. If I tip it around, that's not too bad, and it is padded. Like I say, it's quite compact. Quite a nice feel to the top of the handle there. Let's have another look. So you could probably squeeze this along a little bit. That padding, maybe move that and make a bit of room for a lens to sit down there. So yeah, worth experimenting with. So overall, for the price, it's pretty good. I like the material. There's a choice of colours. There's a kind of greeny browny colour, a grey one, or this blue one. And I think this is a good choice. So overall, for a cheap-ish accessory bag, I would have said that's a good buy. Thanks for watching.